Well, turning now to our weather, Jeremy Baker in for Bill today. And Jeremy, what a wild week we had last week. Things calm so far.
Yeah, much calmer so far. Yeah, definitely, at least to start. By the end of the week, we have a little bugaboo that could come our way named Bertha. It's not Bertha yet, but could impact our forecast as we head down the road. Take a look outside. We have a lot of sunshine right now and also a lot of heat. Some very warm temperatures out there. Look at those cirrus clouds, those wispy cirrus. They're very fair weather clouds. And all that sunshine's bringing us some hot temperatures. It is 95 degrees outside right now at the San Antonio airport. Feels like 100 when you factor in that humidity, which is sitting at 41%. The dew point at 68, so it's not in the 70s. When it's in the 70s, that tells us the air is very oppressive, so not quite that high, but it's definitely contributing to that heat index. Winds at about 9 miles per hour, helping cool us off. We have some triple digits down to the south, 104 for Pearsall and Cotulla, 102 for George West, 100 for you in Pleasanton. Everyone else in the 90s. Del Rio right at 90 degrees even. Eagle Pass 97, 92 in Kerrville. Bernie sitting at 90. Gonzales 98 and New Braunfels at 96. Radar is quiet, but of course we do still have those river flood warnings, especially for the Frio and the Nueces, which are expected to crest tomorrow, and the San Antonio River pretty much at crest right now. So we've still got those on there. By the middle of the week, though, those should fade away as those warnings expire. Taking a look at the water vapor imagery, we still have some moisture up above, but most of it is backed off to the west around the Rio Grande. We've got a lot of that darkness there where you see the black color. That's drier air moving in, but your eyes might turn to this right here. That's a tropical depression in the northeastern Gulf of Mexico, and we're keeping our eyes on that. Right now it's called Tropical Depression 2. Winds are sitting at 35 miles per hour, moving to the northwest at 3, so slowly moving off to the north and west now. Expected to continue on that northwesterly movement or westerly movement right along the northern Gulf Coast, likely becoming Tropical Storm Bertha over the next day or so. Remaining a weak tropical storm, and it's going to be pretty close to land, so I'm thinking it's not going to get much stronger than that. And by the time it makes it to Texas, likely getting chewed up and falling apart. But because it's going to head our way, we do have some rain chances into the forecast as we head towards the latter portion of the work week. Here is your future cast. 9 o'clock tonight, if you have any plans this evening, mostly clear skies. Temperatures dropping into the 80s by the mid-evening hours. Heading into tomorrow morning, we'll get some clouds to roll back in toward the coastal plain. Everyone else starting out mostly clear for the most part from San Antonio westward. Temperatures bottoming out tonight in the mid-70s. And then by the afternoon tomorrow, once again, mostly sunny skies, high temperatures pretty much in the same spot. Mid to upper 90s, lower 100s in our southern counties. And then pretty much the same thing on Wednesday. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy in the morning, especially toward the coast. Temperatures again in the 70s. And by the afternoon, it's plenty of sunshine and highs once again in the mid to upper 90s and lower 100s in our southern counties. So hot days ahead. But hey, it's the middle of July. We expect that. So for tonight, mostly clear skies, 85 degrees by the mid-evening hours, south-southeast winds near 15 miles per hour. For your Tuesday, we'll start out warm in the morning, temperatures in the 70s. And then by the end of the day, we're looking at 97 degrees for a daytime high for your Tuesday. Little change Wednesday, 98, 97 Thursday, and there's that possibility for some showers and storms into Friday and Saturday and Sunday. Only 20 to 30% chance depending on what could become Bertha does. And then the rest of the forecast mostly dry and highs in the mid to upper 90s.